into my video. I'm going to be showing you pictures and some TikTok videos that I took on Tuesday, April 12th when I went out to see the Deadliest catch boats from a boat. It was really cool to be able to see the Brenna A, the Northwestern, the Wizard, and a former Deadliest catch boat, the Sea Star, which was in like the first 2 seasons or so of Deadliest Catch. It was really cool to see those boats from the water, and it was a view I have not had before. It was really cool. So I hope you guys enjoy this video of me bringing you out on a boat to see some of the Deadliest catch boats. They're working on it right now. What?
Why is it so oily?
Oh no.
But yeah, their tender up there is
I hope you guys enjoyed this video of me bringing you out on the water to see some Deadliest catch boats and a former one. I have to give a shout out to Erik Ryan, who took me and a friend out on a boat to see the Deadliest catch boats. He and his wife and family, they have a YouTube channel. It's called Serafino@L. Last year they saw the Northwestern out on the Sound leaving for salmon tendering season, and they've gone up. Last year they went up in boats and got really close to the Northwestern, the Wizard, and the Cornelian Marie, which was in town last year. Go check their channel out, and I really want to thank Erik for bringing me and a friend out on a boat to see Deadliest catch boats. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and don't forget to hit the bell icon down below so you can be notified when I upload videos. Also, please share this video with your friends and family, and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube. Don't forget to smash the like button. Thank you guys for watching, and if you ain't dreaming, you ain't living. Don't forget to dream big. Stay tuned for my Season 18 reviews of Deadliest Catch, which I will be starting next week. It'll be fun.